This is just to let you know who's making all the noise. Take a look at that if you want to get in touch with us. Alright? A YouTuber named Doug got in touch with me and has a Grizzly lathe right here where the mouse is. 14 by 40, that's the model number. He wanted to know, we're trying to figure out what sine bars will fit his lathe. I worked with Ray's Garage. He has a YouTube channel. He has this lathe, and this is all information I had. So I'm going to make a little Mickey Mouse video showing anybody that has this type of lathe what sine bar will fit it nicely. Now let me just show you this. The biggest key here is, you see this? You see that height is higher than that height. They're both flat surfaces, but that could hinge. You see right there? You can't put a sine bar right across. You only got this space right here. From here to here. Alright? And I'm going to show you what sine bar will fit that. You see this? That's our 4-inch sine bar. I'm going to drop it on this compound. You see, here's the 2 pins right here. Here's the area of concern right there. See where the mouse is? But this pivots. You understand? So being close is not an issue. This is plenty of room for this. Let me tip it back and show you. Let's see, rotate. I'm tipping this back for the angle that you would cut a Morse taper, a number 2 Morse taper. See, it's tipped down. Now I'm going to drop it back down on there and show you that it doesn't impact anything. You see how there's an opening here now, right here, right? That is revolved. So here's what I want to do. Here's what you would do. This would be a stack height. I'm using a number 39 drill at this point, okay? I'm just going to stick it in there. Guys use gauge blocks. You can use anything, but these magnets, these magnets have a lot of meat under them, and you pull that down this way, and make sure that's on. Make sure that's against it. Pull the sine bar down on it. The magnets will hold it, no problem. You see that? All right. So that's about all I'm telling you. A Grizzly. Here's the big area right here. You see it? That step. You have to negotiate around that step. Alright? That's all I got. This is Mickey Mouse, but that's showbiz.